Hello guys, if the display on your Oral-B IO toothbrush is not showing anything or looks unresponsive, it can make it hard to know what mode you are using or whether the toothbrush is working correctly. You may turn it on and see a blank screen, dim light, or no response at all, even though the toothbrush might still run. This issue often happens due to low battery, temporary system freeze, or charging related problems. Since this toothbrush uses a smart display instead of simple indicator lights, any small glitch can affect what you see on the screen. Many users think the display is damaged, but in most cases, it is just a minor issue that can be fixed with basic checks. It is important to reset and check the power properly before assuming a major fault. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Oral-B IO toothbrush display that is not working. Try these. 1. Place the Oral-B IO toothbrush on the Oral-B IO charger and ensure the Oral-B IO toothbrush is receiving power. 2. Allow the Oral-B IO toothbrush to charge for some time before testing the display. 3. Restart the Oral-B IO toothbrush by turning the Oral-B IO toothbrush off and on again. 4. Clean the bottom of the Oral-B IO toothbrush and the Oral-B IO charger contact area. 5. Check if the Oral-B IO toothbrush display lights up after restarting. 6. Use the Oral-B IO toothbrush again and confirm the display is working normally.